Hello and welcome back to class. In this lecture, I am going to give brief introduction to graphical user interface of Staad Pro. Let's create a new project. Click on next and click on open structure wizard and finish. Once you create a new project, you will land up here. So I will go to the frame model and I will select bay model. I will just create a simple model, bay frame, and I will import it to Staad Pro. Yeah, here you see. Just now I have created a frame. Now I am going to describe the most important things for modeling building in Staad Pro, that is the coordinate system is Staad Pro. How the coordinate system works in the Staad Pro. I will open one image and this is the coordinate system in Staad Pro. See here, this is the x-axis and this vertical one is y-axis and this is z-axis, right? You can see here right now this is along this is x-axis and this one is z-axis. While modeling the building plan in Staad Pro, we just only use x and z coordinate system, and while giving the height at the vertical we'll use y-axis.